Safety is one of the first reasons you would consider buying a charger. At Easee, we are true believers in smart safety. It's at the core of everything we do. When it comes to electricity, we all want to feel secure in the knowledge that nothing bad will happen. That's why we consider safety in all elements of our work, from design to manufacturing, installation, and daily use of the products. When we designed the Easee Charging Robot, we wanted to develop a truly smart product. A product with all components together in a concealed package that could not be impacted by human error. We wanted to remove all unnecessary parts, like cables and clamps, while adding all the safety features you would need now and in the future. And being a Norwegian company, we also made sure to make the product properly weatherproof with one of the highest IP standards to be fit for even the toughest weather conditions. When our chargers are manufactured on our production line, we monitor every task using automated inspection. We make sure to connect and test every single charger before it is shipped to our customers. In fact, 100% of our chargers are connected and run self-tests before leaving the factory. This means that we can make sure every part of our product is correct before it is shipped to you. We also made sure to think about the installation process and how we can eliminate potential installation errors. We have patented a solution where installers first mount a backplate from which a charger can later be installed. That gives them a dedicated connection area with clear view and easy access to minimize the potential for human error when connecting wires. The charger itself is then clicked in place, leaving the installer with no interactions with our internal electronics. Should an installer be so unfortunate to make a mistake during the installation, by for example forgetting to tighten the terminal screws, the charger will detect a faulty installation and simply shut down. The charger will also check if all the wires are connected in the right terminals, displaying a red light, sounding a warning alarm, and remaining off if there are any issues. When you start using the charger, you won't notice anything other than how easy it is to use and how good it looks on your wall. But inside, there is a lot happening to keep you and your car safe. The charger will check continuously for faults both when in charging and standby mode. This is made possible by the more than 40 sensors inside the charger that constantly check for abnormal changes in currents, voltages, temperatures, and humidity. Just as importantly, sensors also check that the RCD inside the charger is functioning. So, what is an RCD, you wonder? RCD stands for Residual Current Device, and most people have at least one in their home. You have probably seen it in your fuse cabinet. The RCD's main job is to quickly break an electrical circuit if there is a leakage of electricity to ground. It is there to protect electrical equipment, but most importantly to reduce the risk of getting an electrical shock. Most governments recommend that you test the RCD in your fuse cabinet at least once a year. There is also an RCD inside the Easee charger, but instead of requiring manual testing, it is checked by the charger continuously. If there is a problem, the charger will not allow you to charge, and it will let you know that you have an error by displaying a red light. All these safety measures are kept locally and active at all times inside the charger. But the charger is also connected to our cloud. That means it will let us know if there is a problem. So, the charger will automatically make itself safe and you unable to charge, while in the Easee app, you can see what the problem might be. This gives you more information to help you when contacting customer support or resolving yourself. If we find a way to further increase safety, we update your charger with new firmware over the air. To sum up, the Easee Charging Robot is a smart device that is designed with safety in mind, so you never have to worry. By using multiple sensors directly connected to the mechanical components, it can detect any kind of fault, even when offline, to prevent your car, house, and yourself from any harm. By the end of 2022, we had installed over 500,000 chargers, and we continue to add to this number across the globe. This gives us vast amounts of evidence on how our chargers ensure safe and worry-free charging for our customers every day.